Breaking news. The price of Bitcoin pumped to $21,000. Now, I know a lot of you guys are asking yourselves right now, is this a reversal? Are we heading into a bull market? Well, guys, make sure to stick around to the very end because I will be telling you what to expect for Bitcoin. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. Let's get right into it. First off, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's liquidation just yesterday. Sheesh. If we take a look, all the Bitcoin bears yesterday just got wrecked. Guys, take a look. Almost $476 million liquidated on short positions. Almost $500 million liquidated. All you Bitcoin, bears out there are right now regretting, shorting Bitcoin. That is one thing you never do, bet against Bitcoin, because this will happen, guys. I'm telling you. But now that we went over that, as you guys know, Bitcoin touched this key important resistance. We touched the 21,200. We got rejected. So a lot of you guys are asking yourselves, what is next for Bitcoin? Well, guys, if we take a look right here, as you guys can see, we broke through the past 48 hours. We broke this first key resistance, the second, and the most important one. So this is a good sign, but is this a major trap all people are falling for? Well, guys, if we take a look right here, as you guys know, we touched this key resistance where we got rejected. If we take a look, actually on the weekly time frame, we almost managed to touch the EMA 35. So the question is this a sign for a reversal? Well, guys, the truth is, no, we must be patient. I know, guys, I'm happy too that we hit $21,000. But according to the EMA, if we want to be considered in a reversal, we must see a Bitcoin pump. Guys, we must see a Bitcoin pump all the way up to $26,000. We are still far away from this. So no, I don't think we are reversing, but we are heading in the right direction. That's one thing for sure. We finally broke this trend of this downtrend. Now the question is this a fake out? Is everyone getting fooled right now as we speak? Well, if we take a look right here, in the next couple days, it's going to be very important to pay attention to Bitcoin because, as you guys know, from this falling wedge, we broke out of this pattern to the upside. As you guys can see, the RSI is oversold, actually overbought, meaning that it's eventually going to have to come back down and correct itself. So based off of this, if we take a look, guys, around here, we take a look at these key resistance. Right now, in the next couple of days, Bitcoin is going to have to correct itself back down, possibly to $19,000 before we even see another pump above this key resistance of 21,200. So also looking at this right here, we must retest around this area. If it breaks below the 19,000, the next area of support that is very key, guys, is around right here, which is around the low $19,000 to $1,800 price range. We must retest right here, go like this, retest, consolidate, and see what happens. Do we pump to the upside for possibly a $25,000 Bitcoin, or do we see the opposite, where we see a retest and then next thing you know, we fall back into this pattern and fall back below? So we need to be careful, guys. Be on the lookout, because the next couple days will be very important, especially on January 31st. I'm telling you guys, in the month of January, it's going to be very important to see what Bitcoin does. As you guys can see, we have this area of support around 19,900, the next area of support, which is 19,000. So with that said, we also have another chart pattern forming. Many of you guys are saying, and I do agree, that we did create this bullish expanding triangle, as you guys can see right here on the daily time frame. We broke out of this trend to the upside. So now the next couple days, we're gonna have to see if, we see a retest right here around the 19,000, and then see what Bitcoin does as it consolidates for a while before making a move, or does it test right here and bounce right away, or does it test right here and then dump below? Well, guys, if you want to stay updated with that, make sure to subscribe right now, guys. I'm telling you, I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis if anything crazy happens with Bitcoin. So the question now is this a reversal? No, guys, this is not a reversal just yet. I know, guys, I'm happy too that we finally seen a green candle on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, but we need to be careful because in the history of trading, a lot of times people fall for this trap where these big institutions come in, pump the price, get everyone excited, they start buying into this, and then next they get liquidated. And this is where bankers make most of their money. I'm telling you, off of emotions. Please take emotions off of this. Look at the numbers. What do the numbers tell you? Well, if you look at the EMA weekly time frame, it tells us if we want a reversal, we need to pump above 25,000. So right now we can be excited, but please do not be emotional and start buying right now and start leveraging like crazy. Please don't, because you will get wrecked in this market. I'm telling you. So with that said, no, we are not in a reversal or bull market. We need to see a Bitcoin pump to 25,000 if we want to see that. So now the question is, what is my expectations for this, this upcoming days? Well, I do expect Bitcoin to slow down because we're going to be closing in on the weekly candle in about 2 days, so 48 hours. So I do see, a correction back down to 19,000, maybe down around 20,000 before seeing a consolidation and a move. So with that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, go check out my previous video I did right now. Go check it out right now because I discussed the trap that 99% of you guys will fall for. With that said, this is DC Trading. Peace.